Welcome to an intro to BCI CORE. We'll be looking at the main screens including dashboards, production, inventory, formulas, reporting, and security. The first screen you see when you open BCI CORE is the dashboard. This screen shows high-level stats about the batches that have been run on a specific line or the whole plant. The top row shows our daily totals, the number of batches and total pounds of all those batches for the last 7 days. The next two rows show the same totals for the last 6 weeks and the last 6 months. The gauges in the center column show our current day, week, and month versus our historical best. This information is meant to provide insight into how production is running in your plant. The campaign screen is where operators manage the batches to be produced. Campaigns are shown in the top section and the batches within each campaign are shown in the bottom. This screen is divided into 3 tabs: Created, Queued, and Completed. Created shows newly created campaigns. From here, the campaigns can be queued for production. Queued shows campaigns that have been queued for production in the order that they're going to be released. Once all the batches in a campaign are complete, the campaign will move to Completed. So let's take a look at what this looks like. Here we'll create 10 batches of strawberry cake and queue them to run. This is time-lapse and simulated, but you can see that as each batch completes, the next is released automatically until the campaign is complete. On the inventory location screen, operators are able to manage inventory. For this demo, I have 15 locations and they're all set up as an infinite source. Now I will enable FIFO lot tracking on a location and add a lot. Let's create and queue another campaign. Now if we run an inventory forecast, we can see our forecasted inventory level for the batches in the queue. This forecast shows us that we will not have enough flour to run batch 5. On the formula screen, users can manage formulas. A formula defines the required ingredients and parameters to produce a batch. If formula versioning is enabled, formulas are shown on the top and versions are shown on the bottom. Let's create a new formula. The formula editor provides a simple drag and drop interface where users can drag the ingredients they want into the formula and enter a target. Parameters can be used to control how the batches are produced, such as mix times and speeds, heat temps, etc. Our engineers will work with you to create a recipe that gives you the flexibility you need. Here we've added 3 new ingredients to this new formula. We'll set their targets, and we'll set a mix time of 500 seconds. Now the formula is created, but to use it, we need to activate it. Now we will be able to create batches that use this new formula. The Reports menu gives access to reports. The standard reports that you see here can be customized, or custom reports can be easily added. Some reports are integrated into different screens, like the campaign report. We can get to that by selecting a campaign and clicking the Campaign Report button. Or we can select a batch and click the Batch Report button to see a batch report. Reports can be automatically printed or saved as a PDF based on triggers, like when a batch completes. Security is organized into users and groups. Users can be a member of more than one group and inherit all roles assigned directly to them or to any groups that they are a member of. Here we are editing the operators group. If we assign the batches role, any operators will be able to manage batches. Maybe you don't want operators to change formulas because only supervisors are allowed to do that. But you do want operators to be able to manage inventory, so we can give them the inventory locations and inventory lots roles. Now if we log in as an operator, we can see that now we no longer have access to the formulas area. So that's an overview of our BCI CORE software. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you have any questions.